Yes, welcome friends to the video of exploring Vedic maths. Today we are going to explore Vedic mathematics to do quick calculations. So let's start. Myself, Dr. Geeta Arora. I have done PhD in 2011 from IIT Roorkee in numerical analysis. But because of the deep interest in looking forward for the mathematical calculations, I have learned and taught Vedic mathematics. Here I am working in LPU as a professor in mathematics department. For any query, you can contact me on the given mail address. Following are the recommended books if you want to explore Vedic maths by yourself. This is one of the good book, and another is a book written by me, Quick Calculation in Mathematics. So you can explore both to practice and to learn Vedic mathematics. Now if somebody asks you, can you multiply these two numbers in just 30 seconds without a calculator? Obviously the answer could be yes, or it could be no, depending upon your caliber. But yes, it's really tough when we are talking about the number of digits which are more than 2 or 3. If somebody asks you that can you find out the square of numbers ending in 5 in less than 3 seconds, or can you multiply these given numbers in less than 3 seconds, and if the answer is no, so it means you need to learn the tricks that we are going to give you. You might be wondering how it can be done without calculators. So the answer is yes, it all can be learned with the magic through Vedic maths. So it is a tool that will help you doing the calculation within seconds. So here is what it will help you out. It will help you out in doing the speed of calculation, in learning the concepts of geometry, learning the divisibility rule, finding out cube root and square root of a number, sharpen the skills, and finding out the calendar data. If we talk about what we can do with Vedic mathematics, so it is a tool that will provide you a calculation even 1700% times faster than the normal mathematics. But the only thing is you need to practice it. And obviously when you are so much confident regarding the calculation, it eradicates the fear of mathematical calculations completely from your mind. It will sharpen your mind, increase your mental agility and intelligence, not only in mathematics, because if you have a sharp mind, you can win each and every situation. So obviously it improves your academic performance in school, colleges, and in every exam that you are going to attempt. So let's explore what is Vedic maths. It is an ancient technique which simplifies the calculations that includes multiplication, division, complex numbers, squaring, cubing, or finding out the cube roots and square roots. Even you can explore its caliber in finding out the solution to the auxiliary fractions and recurring decimals. So here is a fast activity that you need to do in order to find out how much capable you are, and is there really a need of finding out how to do the calculations. So here we are. Here is first of the quiz, for which I am giving you 30 seconds. Find out 1004 into 1004, what it results in. For making the calculation, do not do in the normal way because it will leads to more than 1 minute. So the quick calculation needs the tricks to be used, and you can focus upon that the number I have shown you is just 4 more than 1000. So here we go for the answer, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So here is the solution. It's 1008016. Now you might be wondering how we have done. So it is all about 1000 and the 4. So you can see here you can observe that the number coming as a solution is 1008, and it is coming by adding 4 2 times, and 4 into 4 is giving you 16. So it is a trick that involves product of the number which is more than the base, and the base here is 1000. So you can explore it. Here we have the next one. Here you need to divide 2, 3, 4, 1, 4 divided by 5, and your time is already started. We are going to stop at 30 seconds and we will see what the answer is, and the main thing is how you did it. You can do it by the normal division because you could be practicing it from your childhood, right? But if you want to explore the new way of doing the quick calculation, so here it is. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, and check your answer. It is 4682.8. So how we have devised it, that 5 can be written as 10 by 2, right? So if you write down 10 by 2 in the denominator, it will leave the number multiplied by 2 and putting a decimal from behind, that is dividing by 10. So the answer will be double of the number, that is 46828, and dividing by 10. And hope so all of you know dividing by 10 means putting a decimal from the end. So here is the second answer. Let's move on to the next one. Started. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Again, you have 30 seconds to work with, and even if we talk about 30 seconds is more than enough, right? So try to give it an attempt, and I think so all of us can do with or without a trick, because it is just writing out the number in 2 rows and adding them with a shifted of the digit, right? So here we go, let's stop. Yes, here's the answer, check it out. Now here what we can see is the number is coming, might be you got the same thing, but here what we did is we are adding the last 2 digits from the end, and the last and first digits are taken as such. So 4 is here as such, 4 plus 3 7, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, and the last number as such. You can explore it more in the videos that told about multiplication by 11. Here's the next one, 85 into 99. Obviously you can have the number of tricks to handle it, or you can do it directly if you have very strong multiplication table learns, right? But here we are using it with the help of a trick. So do the calculation and let's find out. Here I have given very small example, but actually if you are doing, it could be any number with the series of 9. So here we go and check the answer. It is 8415. So how we are saying is the number minus 1. We have to multiply 85 with 99. So number minus 1 is 84. And the difference of 84 and 99 is? Yes, it is 15. And it is not coincident. It is a rule in Vedic maths. And it falls under the topic of series multiplication by 9. Right? So you can explore it for more details. Here we have the last one. 102 into 108. And again here we can see that both the numbers I have taken is more than 100. So here the trick I can use is that it is 102 into 108. I will not tell you. Try it by yourself and then I will show you the answer, and you can learn it later on. Yeah, here is the answer. 11016. Again you can observe the pattern. 8 into 2 is giving me 16. And 8 plus 2 is giving me 10, and the answer is later at 11016, right? So here we have the tricks that will help you out doing the same calculation but quickly and in the more general way, right? So here we are that what we can learn in Vedic mathematics is we can go through addition, subtraction, the basics. We can learn about the multiplication tricks, the division strategy. We can learn about finding out algebra and digital roots of a number that will help us finding out the answers of the MCQ. Obviously, it is a very good tool. Then we can explore the squares and cube, and even we can hands-on practice on the square roots and cube roots and much more. Here I have written just some of the glimpse that is required by each and every student that needs to do calculation. If we talk about why we are calling it as Vedic maths, because the scientists or the researchers or the mathematician who claimed to develop all these, they have used these 16 sutras and the 13 sub-sutras. So they have all these things being written in Sanskrit. But when we are practicing it nowadays, it is not required to know the Sanskrit language rule, but we are going to learn it in a simple sentence what the rule is all about. So let us stop here and we'll continue with more content for you to find out the application part, to learn the different type of calculations that can be done quickly with a trick, and we call as Vedic math. So thank you so much, and be sure to continue watching and learn as much